Weather-wise, we're looking a little dreary tonight, but some of us will see sun tomorrow. Not everywhere. Your best bet for sunshine is going to be in southern and western Maine tomorrow. If you're in Bangor or in eastern and northern Maine, it's not going to be as bright tomorrow, and there actually will be a few showers that linger. On Friday, a mix of clouds and some sunshine. Temperatures generally in the low 50s. And then the weekend right now looking quiet and seasonable. Nothing too hot or too cold heading into the weekend. A lot of clouds out there now. There are some breaks of sunshine far north and a few showers that are moving through the Penobscot Bay region, Bangor, and about to head into down east. They're very light. Most of the rest of the state is dry right now. It's just cloudy and chilly with fairly uniform temperatures thanks to this breeze blowing in off the ocean. No big storm systems around, but as this slides to the southeast, it interacts with this front to the north, and we'll get a few more showers overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. And you'll see that here by 10 o'clock, a few showers mainly in central and eastern Maine. There can be a spotty shower to the south, but most of the precipitation lines up over about the eastern part of the state. And yes, it's possible chilly raindrops change over to some wet snowflakes, particularly in Washington, Aroostook, and northern Penobscot counties. You might get a little minor accumulation there, and quite a difference at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Sunshine out to the south while it's cloudy with still some lingering rain and snow over eastern Maine. This will be have very little consequence after about 8 or 9 in the morning. If there is some light accumulation, temperatures will come up, and it really will just be a few flakes and drops in eastern Maine in the afternoon. While to the south, look at this. We get well into the 50s, so a big split depending on where you are tomorrow. Here's the potential for some snow accumulation, most of that on the grass, but some slushy spots are possible. And the best weather tomorrow will be to the south and west. That's where it's going to get warmer with some partial sunshine that boosts our temperatures up into the 50s, and we could hit 60 around Kittery and Berwick tomorrow. Central Maine gets to at least 50, I think. Pittsfield, Bangor about 49, and much cooler here in eastern Maine with the clouds and some showers that continue into the afternoon. Now on Friday, it looks like we'll have a little sun in the morning, but a lot of clouds that bubble up, and there can be a sprinkle Friday afternoon, little energy hanging back from a system offshore, but I don't think there's much that is falling on Friday, just a few more clouds that bubble up. Then for the weekend, this high builds in, it holds rain to our south, and we think both Saturday and Sunday are looking pretty nice with temps that'll be in the 50s. Here's the marine forecast for tomorrow. Seas running 2 to 3 feet. It does get a little gusty in the afternoon, gusts up to 20 knots on the water. So tomorrow is one of those days where it's tough to put two numbers on a 7-day. Inland areas, if you're in eastern Maine, you stay in the 40s, but western Maine, you get well into the 50s with more sunshine. Heading into the weekend, I think we're in good shape. Mostly sunny on Saturday, a few more clouds on Sunday, but I don't see any significant rain chances until the middle of next week.
Okay.
We'll
it's a
take
very
it, right?
consistent 7-day.
It's tough to pick day to day how to change the temperature.
Yeah. Very, very familiar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Ryan.